Hello, Country Bass Lines, Nobody But You, the Blake Shelton and Gwen Stefani tune, and we're just going to have fun with this bass line today, so kick back and enjoy it. If you want to learn more about it, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be glad to break it down for you and help you out. It's good to put this out there, and it's like a wedding song, and you could actually solo it on bass by using this bass line here and have fun with it. People will enjoy it, and it gets the idea across. So hope you enjoy it, and be back in a minute. Alright, so hope you enjoyed that. A good, definitely a good song by Blake Shelton and Gwen Stefani. Alright, so basically on that song is the chord progression, which stays the same. There is, in that bass line, there's two licks, and I'll give them to you in the bass line to play along with the cover song, not the bass line that I just put up. The chord progression in that song is just going to be C, E, A, F. Okay, and that F is like, it's like the every time except for the last time before the choruses come in. So they actually hold, where they hold, they're not playing that F. So the F isn't played every single time. You can play it and get away with it, but in those sections, the whole band kind of backs out. So it's you know, the guitar is still strumming, but it's the bass line definitely backs out. So that's just C, E, A, and F. And then in there's a little lick where he goes at the F, he goes, you know, it's real subtle. You can hardly hear or tell it's back there, but it is back there. And he's just doing E, F. That's all. E, F, back to E. Or it's just, he's just going E to F. And then he goes to the C, and then he does an octave C. And then it goes. Okay, and all that is, the chord progression is not their it's the C, and then on 4 the E, and then on 1 the A, and then on 1 the F. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, that's the timing of that particular chord progression. But that's the entire song there. They cut out one time, they hold on the C, and then they come right back in. So a good song, definitely a great song to listen to. You know, if you got a loved one there you can play that for, that's even better. They like that song. So it's a good song. And like I said, that arrangement, you can, if you want to know that arrangement, leave me a comment down below. I'll be glad to work that out in another video. And like I said, you can play that in, you know, in a wedding or something like that. It's, you know, that's a lot of people, that'll probably be their wedding songs coming up. You know, that's a popular one. It's a newly, somewhat new song, so newly released, and so people will be using that as their a lot of their wedding songs. That'll be a request. So if your band's playing weddings, then that'll be one you want to learn, because it'll probably be requested a lot here now, you know, in the next few months. If not, if it doesn't stick around for a long time, it's a good song, definitely a good song. A lot of stuff Blake Shelton writes, a lot of stuff Blake Shelton does is great, and then with Gwen Stefani back there as well. You know, it doesn't get any better than that. So, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, help me help you. Hit that like button. And I'm Donald with the bass instructor with How to Play Bass online course at iwanttoPlayBass.com. So jump over there, subscribe here. Hit that bell notification. Get in the loop and don't miss a beat. I'll catch y'all on the flip flop. Bye for now.